Yo, what's happening my charge people? Welcome back to the channel. As you remember from the last video, finally the Supra has been straightened up, and as you can see we have BC Racing coilovers here, so we're going to fit them up. So make sure you like that video, comment, share, subscribe, and stay charged for more, yo. Cheers. Alright, let's get it jacked up, put on stands, and let's hear this beast. Sounds great. Got the stands. Now it's time to give the shovel. Shovel, 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 shovel. So let's have a look. We have the bottom bolt there, and then I might have to do the undo the stabilizer link. Not just that, the striing coming out from there, so we've got to undo the top one, yeah, and then your 3 bolts up there. Sounds simple enough, but yeah, if you see these bolts, they're looking crustacean. Look at that. Even the flipping track ends are looking rusty crusty. Luckily enough, we got new inner and outer track ends. We're gonna need to change. That looks like it's been leaking. But I did notice a while back it was this side. Let's get out the new coilover and compare it. Oh yes, BC, BC, BC. Whoo, jeez, come on. Is that the front or the back? Okay, so turns out that one is the rear. I've got one out for the front over here. Oh wow, these look gorgeous. Oh, is that? Let's compare it. Whoo-wee! Let's get these beauts on. Just that to give you new bolts, top mounts, and that. Oh, yeah, mate. My days, have I been fighting with getting these bolts out? It's been an absolute nightmare because I've only literally got one gun, but yeah, what more should you need, right? Needed power tools to do this job. Doing the upper arms, I used the lever bar and stuff, but we're making slow progress. Have a look. So I loosened that, used that bad boy, and yeah, basically manhandled it. That's finally charged up a bit. This bolt was being a nightmare to get out, but theoretically now all I need to do is undo these and get that old shock out. This feels like a joyful part of it, because now you know that you're actually closer to getting out. Let's do this. Let's move that, because that is for the strap brace. And then take this long thing out And yeah, this is going to be a bit sketchy. I made a little mistake, as you saw on the time lapse. I basically put the bottom through first and then tried putting it up, but now I've basically fed it through, put up top. Damn, those look good. And now we need to just bring that up into place. Oh, and we've got a little broken bolt here which I need to somehow get out for the brake sensor. All fun and games, huh? But yeah, these are a lot shorter. And look how crusty these are. Okay, so I've been battling with the car. This was the driver's side shock. That was a pain in the arse. That's fucked. But calling it a day. And look at that arch gap. And that's not even being lowered or nothing. And haven't even got my split rims on there. Come to this side. Check out the coilies. Fresh. BC Racing. So, yeah. The rear still need to be done, but we'll get it done, and then once we put the rims and everything on, we'll show you, you know what I mean. It's now time to continue. Gonna put the rear coilovers on and we'll show you. I don't know if I'm gonna put the rims on just today or what. We'll see how it goes. But first, let's jack it up, get the wheels off, and see how many bolts and stuff we've got to attack. Let's do this. Excuse the mess, it's terrible. That's not looking good. That's not looking good. Down here is not looking good. I've got a leak from somewhere. So, having a look at the strut here. Spider here. It looks like that's one bolt there. I'm hoping I don't need to remove that, but not too sure. And then we have 3 bolts here where it goes into a strut brace, and let's see how it goes. Got my brother helping me today, and we've undone the 19mm bolt. Now I'm gonna undo the strut brace, and yeah, hopefully it should come out. So now I'm gonna undo, where is it, the 12mm bolts. And then let's see how bad this top strut is as well. Not looking good. No mind. Not staying here. Needed. Yeah. Seems a lot more straightforward than the front ones. Oh, well. It's literally this metal plate, thankfully. Okay, let's get the shock off. So now that we're taking out the top bolts, this should, well, theoretically it should just pop out. Maybe needs a little persuasion. Oh, that feels a bit tight though. Right. End up using the gun, whizzed it out from there, levered it down a bit, and levered it from behind here. So now let's get this strut out, bring it down like that, maneuver it somehow. Oh, this is sketchy. Like that. mint. So you saw the rusty crusty thing was like that, giving it a quick sand down, then we're going to give it a prime and put it back in, and we'll do it on both sides. So we're trying to fit the BCs in, but by the looks of it, there's a little lip on here. I don't know if you can see it, and it's not actually fitting in. Had the micrometer out. Can't see the measurement from here, but yeah. And then go to a stock one. Yeah. So we need to do something about that. So, figured out the problem with this washer thing, how it's sticking out so much. I was going to file it down, but you're better off getting a slide hammer and sliding it this way, and then you get clearance, and that will work. Moment of truth, rather just to adjust the suspension, and then we'll drop it and see how it looks. So yeah, gave it a quick lash up, what my brother did, looking so much better. Right, moment of truth, we're going to drop it like it's hot. Let's hope that it's not too low, but we'll find out right now, yo. Oh, I hear boost. Interesting. Put the handbrake there. Yeah. Okay, so we just readjusted the back of it because it was sitting too high, but we're going to get the Geo by Luke's all done on it, so he's going to do all his adjustments and whatnot after as well, and we'll change the rims. But if you like this video, like it, comment, share, subscribe, and stay charged for more, y'all. Cheers!